Is your furnace not turning on? Cold face. First, check your thermostat is set to heat and the temperature is higher than the room. Next, make sure your furnace has power. Check the breaker and the furnace switch. Dirty air filters can shut your furnace off. Replace them regularly. For gas furnaces, confirm the gas supply is on and the ignition system is working. A dirty flame sensor or safety lockout can prevent startup. Sometimes it needs a professional. If your furnace still won't turn on, don't wait. Stay safe and warm. Call the professionals for help today.